So we just got the charger back. I should say. Sean's here to help me. We're gonna do a nice clean buff and wax on the hood. I wanted to clean the whole car, but we forgot to bring soap. I don't have any here. Mom's still sleeping, so after she gets up I might ask her for some so we can clean the whole car. It's got that at least 20-30-year-old barn find dust on her still. Stuff's worth money, but we're gonna destroy it today. Let me give you a walk around. I'll start from worst to best, I guess. Something like that. Let's see. Bumper, 0 chrome left. The R piece is, you know, missing some of that glass, plastic glass shit. Trunk lid has had some work done to her before. This whole quarter panel is just about gone. All the clips to this trim just about gone, maybe like one left down there. Like I said, this whole quarter panel is just about fucked. Was the 4 barrel car, all numbers matching. A little bit of chrome left on the front bumper, missing a piece of chrome for the hood here. For now, I should say. These aren't even my wheels. My wheels are in the garage in the box in there. Door is needing some lovins. And this quarter panel, it looked like, I mean, it's workable, but somebody used some real thin piece of work there. And some self-tappers. They even tried to, like, body mold that one in a little bit. Either way, needs some work, body wise. Look at this dust. Whew, that's money right there on my finger. Yeah. I don't give a flying whatever. Never mind. Already cleaned the hood up with soapy water and a rag.
Come show them your cleaning job.
But then,
see this? You can't fucking polish and buff over that. That's how you scratch the paint even more. Like all of that will come off. See?
See what the boy's doing. He's a perfectionist. Gotta love him.
All that kind of
Dr. Sean. Car Dr. Sean. I'm sitting here thinking, and maybe doing one of the fenders would be cool too. Alright, so as you can see, the hood's been replaced. It's definitely a different color than the whole rest of the car. So then we started doing this fender here. Look at that difference.
Oh shit.
You can definitely see it on the camera too, excuse me.
It's so dried out and just burnt away.
And then this is just, you can even feel the difference, but...
Why are you touching that? It's fresh.
It's fine, it's fine. It's mine.
Sure, yeah. That works.
Bro, you can come look at the camera screen, you can even see it.
Oh my god, it looks so good.